That is the question. Yes, so it has been drawn that way so that we are not able to confuse the figures, okay? So we will write the format. How do we call this? Partners of, it's called Meta Brothers, isn't it? Meta Brothers. Meta Brothers. Meta Brothers, statement of adjusted net profit for the year ended when class? 31st August 2005. Let us condense the figures. So we have reported net profit. This is our format. Then we will say add back the disallowables. You leave this space. You let it be a bigger space because those expenses are assumed to be so many. Then for the allowables, you leave. You don't leave a bigger space. Then we come to the allocation table. We have M. We have said we have M meta, isn't it? We have S meta. Then we have M meta. Then we have N meta, and then we have the total, isn't it? Yeah. So most of these ones are going to appear there. So we will just rub those columns that way. We rub those columns that way. So we condense the figures. And then we just start. There's no additional information for the question, so we just take them directly. So let us start. Salaries and wages.
Reported net loss kwanza.
So reported net loss is first. Reported net loss is 50,000. We put in bracket, isn't it? Then salaries and wages.
You are just now it's reported net loss.
No problem. Once we have put in bracket, it means that's a loss, huh? Now salaries and wages, is that allowable or disallowable?
It is allowable.
That's allowable. So if you like, you can write there A. But then, do we add it back or we deduct it?
No, you assume.
Do we add it back or we deduct it?
You assume it.
What's the correct position?
You assume it. It was already deducted.
It has already been deducted, so we don't deduct again. So take that one as we move on. Then partners drawings, that is disallowable. So partners drawings, we add that one.
360.
How much is that?
360.
360. Very good. Next we have loss on sale of investment. That is allowable because that is a capital loss. Professional fees. Somebody did for them some work and they paid. Professional fees, that is allowable, isn't it, class?
Yes.
Then we have traveling expenses.
Allowable.
Also allowable. Then we have purchases. That is what helped them to get the gross profit. So that's also allowable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then we have repairs and maintenance. Is that allowable?
Yes.
Yes. Then we have depreciation. Huh? My friend, focus here. Depreciation is disallowable. How much is it?
Depreciation
is 650, isn't it? Then we have rent and rates. That is allowable. We have telephone, allowable, isn't it? Postage and stationery, allowable. Bank charges and interest, allowable. Salaries to the partners is disallowable. So salaries to the partners, we have S meta, we have N meta, and then we have this is M, and then this is N meta. How much? 50. Then 100. Remember, that is what you will bring here. Salary to the partners. 50, 100. Total is 200. Focus here, please.
No.
200, isn't it?
No. It is 50. Yeah, 200.
Yeah.
Okay,
then we have donations. Donations, is that allowable or disallowable? Disallowable. So we write that one here. Donations, how much?
20 disallowable.
To 20. Then we have purchase of computer. We said that
disallowable
any
fixed asset.
Fixed asset is a disallowable, isn't it? Purchase of computer. How much plus? 200.
200.
And And then we have bad debt written off, that is allowable. Then we have interest on capital, that is what class? This allowable. So we have who and who? S, meta. I hope you are focusing here, my friend.
Yes.
S, meta, and then M, meta. How much? 20, 20. Good, then you bring that here. 20, we have S and M, 20 dash 40. We didn't have the interest on drawings, that's a dash. Commission, did we have commission? We put a dash, isn't it? Then we have profit share. Profit share, we get that. So we have additional information number 1, 2, 3, isn't it? Up to 4. But there's nothing we're going to use there because through number 3 is supposed to be used when we are calculating the taxable liability, when the wife is working together with the partner, okay? And then we have, I think that is all. So we need to calculate capital allowance here, the wear and tear, capital allowance. So capital allowance, this one you are never, for now I don't think if you will understand this, so maybe we can skip it, but when we reach that topic, that topic, you will be able to know how to calculate it, okay? Because we have classes, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, which are not even there nowadays. Nowadays, this is how they have been grouped. So I would say, let us just leave it like that, so that you add for me these ones. Add them. 1250, very good. Then we will get how much here? 1200, isn't it? And because capital allowance is not there, I will show you how it is calculated. So 1200. Sometimes in some questions you find it there, already it is there for you. So you can just take it and deduct. So we shall have 1200. So we shall just say that adjusted net profit is how much plus? Is 1200, which you divide by 3.
Deduct 1000.
If you deduct is, oh sorry, it's 1000. Good. 1000. 1000 divided by 3, so that you can get the profit share. 333, isn't it? 0.3, isn't it? 333.3, 333.3, and this will give us 1000. Then now you don't have other incomes, so you just add these ones, and then you will get the taxable what class? Taxable income. That way. Just like that. So like this is 20 plus 50, 70 plus 333. That is 4 or what class? 47.3, isn't it? This is also 47.3. And then this is 403.3. Then you add the total there. And then that is all about that question. Very simple, but we'll have to do so many so that you get used to it. Assignment you will do for me, that same question, that paper of St. Anne's, you will do for me question 2. You will do for me question 2 of that paper. Question 2 of that paper. Anybody with a question?